Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to mine free Bitcoin with this free Bitcoin mining site I'm going to be showing you in this video. So if this interests you, watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on this update I'm going to be giving. Before we get started, I'll be giving out 7 premium courses worth over 30,000 naira to my subscribers. If you're my subscriber or you've not subscribed yet, this is an opportunity for you to do that now in order to qualify for this giveaway. To qualify for this giveaway, come down right here and click on the red or white subscribe button. Click on it to subscribe. Click on the bell icon and select all in order to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop another video in the future. Click on the like button and come to the comment section and type how to mine free Bitcoin, all tasks done. Once you do this, I'm going to know that yes, you've performed this task. Then I'll send the 7 premium courses to you for free. Then the last thing to do is to share this video to your friends on all social media platforms in order to get them informed as well. I have placed the link of this website in the description of this video. Once you click on that link, it will bring you right here. All you have to do is to create an account on this website, then log in. Once you get to the website, you click on start now. Then you enter your email address, your username and your password, then you continue. So that's how to create an account on this website. Alright, once you log into your account, you'll be given 1 THS mining power to power up your mining machine to mine free Bitcoin from this website. With the free miner you are given, you'll be able to get 0.00000037 BTC every single hour. Then daily you'll be getting 0.00000892 BTC. Then weekly you will be getting 0.00006242 BTC. Then monthly you'll be getting 0.00026753 BTC. So this is what you'll be getting once you are using the free plan. But if you want to get more than this, then you need to upgrade your account. To upgrade your account, you can scroll down below to know the amount you're going to be getting when you invest on this site. So click on this now and enter the amount you want to invest on this site. Let's say you want to deposit 0.001 BTC. You'll be getting 9.1 THS mining power to power up your mining machine to mine some BTC on this site. So per hour, you'll be getting 0.34% of what you invested. Per day, you'll be getting 8.18%. Per week, you'll be getting 57.27%. Then per month, you'll be getting 245.46%, which is 0.00245461 BTC. And the estimated date for this miner is 12 days. So it will be mining for 12 days. Let's say you want to deposit 0.01 BTC, you'll be getting a mining power of 91.8 THS, which will be giving you 0.34%, which is 0.00003414 BTC per hour. And also per day you'll be getting 0.00081930 BTC, and per week you'll be getting 0.00573511 BTC, and per month you'll be getting 0.0245790 BTC. And let's say you want to deposit 0.1 BTC, you'll be getting 931.2 THS mining power, and you'll be getting 0.00034602 BTC per hour, and per day you'll be getting 0.0083045 BTC per day, and per week you'll be getting 0.05813148 BTC. Then you'll be getting 0.24913492 BTC per month. So any amount of BTC you want to invest on this platform, you can input it here. Then you go down and see what you'll be getting per hour, per day, per week and per month. And the estimated day for the mining is just 12 days. So to upgrade your account, you scroll up and click on this menu on the left hand corner of the screen. Then you click on upgrade. Once you click on upgrade, you scroll down, Then here you will see buy via BTC and buy via chain mine. So what this means here is that you are reinvesting what you've mined already from this site, but now you want to invest with what you want to deposit. So you click on buy via BTC. Then here now you enter the amount that you want to deposit. Once you enter the amount, then it will give you a Bitcoin address that you're going to send that amount to. Once it gives you that address, you click on it and copy that Bitcoin address. Then you head on to your wallet and transfer the exact amount of BTC that you are expected to deposit on this site. So once you do that, it is going to be confirmed by blockchain. Then your mining power is going to be activated into your account, but it's going to take like 30 to 1 hour for it to be confirmed, or even 2 hours for it to be verified by blockchain itself. And once it is verified, it's going to be sent into your account, and your miner is going to update and start mining with the current THS power you've just deposited. To earn some extra mining power, you click on this 3/ above here, then you click on affiliate. They are going to give you your affiliate link, so that once you refer someone to this platform, you'll be given 10% commission in form of additional hash power to power up your mining speed. Once the person registers and deposits any amount, the 10% is going to be reinvested into your account immediately the person deposits into the platform. So this is another way you can be able to earn some Bitcoin from this site. So if you want to withdraw your Bitcoin from this site, you click on menu, then you click on transfer BTC. So the minimum you can withdraw from this site is 0.0001200 BTC. Once you enter the amount here, then you click on send when you input your Bitcoin address here. So once you click on send, it's going to be sent directly into your wallet. It's going to pass through some confirmations before it will be sent to your wallet. So this is how you can be able to mine Bitcoin on this site using both the free plan and also the paid plan. But be willing to invest what you can afford to lose, because I am not a financial advisor. I only try out things, and once they work for me, I bring it out for you all to also benefit from it and also gain something from this crypto space. So give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon in order to get notified whenever we drop another update in this channel. So stay safe and God bless.